Okay, so there was some technical issue. I have no idea whether it was from my side or Himanshu's side. Uh, but again, we are back, and I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Okay, 1 second.
Hello again. So, am I visible, Bhaiya, now?
Yes, you are visible. Yeah, but you're like sort of frozen.
Connection is fine here. I don't know why this is happening.
Can you see your own screen? What is happening in your own screen?
Yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine.
Oh, it's fine for
You are
okay.
looking fine as well.
Okay, cool. Uh, so yeah, where were we? Okay,
Yeah, I was asking
so
that where do you place adventure in your travel? Is it a big factor, or what else is the biggest factor in your travel? Like you said,
no,
it's
no,
experience.
no. Repeat your question because your voice is breaking completely. I could hear
I was
adventure.
asking, yeah, where do you place adventure in your whole experience? How big is it a factor?
To be honest, for me, adventure is like how I describe adventure is every single thing from the time I wake up to do every single thing in my life. So everything is adventurous if you take it in that way. Uh, so for me, adventure isn't play a great role. For me, experience uh, is bigger player than the adventure because you make everything adventurous. The kind of person we are,
Yes, yes.
you know.
And you also have an inclination towards spirituality. So you connect both these travel and spirituality.
No, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You need to
Actually,
change where
you can't
you are
hear me at
sitting.
all.
Like
Hello.
I could hear you, but like in broken pieces.
Perhaps it's a bad network from my side because you are visible clearly. How do you connect spirituality and travel?
How?
How do you connect spirituality and travel?
Spirituality and travel. Okay, so spirituality itself is a it's a journey, and I don't say travel. So there's a difference between uh, traveler and a tourist. Lot of
Yes.
people, lot of us, we think both are same, but they both are completely opposite. A tourist is a person who only explore places which is being explored by people.
Okay.
Okay, and a traveler is a person who like to travel and find new places. So spiritually, how spirituality connect with travel is in spirituality also you are uh, going to a journey, and travel is the same thing. You have to start your journey. So it goes like a parallel line, you know. Now it's all depend, like one way you are traveling to a certain like you have certain aim in your life that in your head that you want to go there. Okay, the same thing happens with the spirituality. If you want to reach to a certain level of spirituality, you have to start your journey on a certain route
Yeah.
on your own speed, and it's exactly the same thing, you know.
Yeah, so can we say that spirituality is a mind travel? So mentally we travel in spirituality and physically we travel to places.
Mind is something, I wouldn't call it as spirituality is a a mind travel, because mind, we have given so much importance to the mind. Spirituality is more about controlling the mind. and sort of using it how you want to use it, how we want to use it, rather than being a slave of the mind.
Yeah, sounds really interesting how to enslave your mind. But it's
Yeah,
hard as well.
but I can't hear you. Probably what you should try is put your phone on airplane mode and come back because it's completely like I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just
Okay. Anyone who's online, so this happens. You can't help it. While being live, this issue comes. So my friend, he had some internet issues, so he had to go and come back. I hope be back soon. There you go. Now you're back.
Hello. So am I
move.
visible now?
Completely visible right now. I am so happy right now.
Oh,
I
that's
am
great.
so
That's great.
happy right now. Yeah.
Finally.
So yeah, finally, I knew because I had certain issue like before, so that's why like why don't you just sort of refresh it?
Yeah.
That's the idea, no? Whenever we have problem in life, we should refresh it.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, that's
know?
great. So you are
Yeah.
saying that spirituality is more about enslaving your mind rather than being a slave of our mind. And which sounded quite interesting because generally we are all slaves of our mind.
Yes.
It's the opposite.
Because as the word it's as as wo-
Yeah, what
we
is
are not
that?
only slave of our mind, we are slave of everything. We are slave of our all five senses.
Yes.
You know, six senses. Sorry, how many six senses are there? Six, right?
Actually, just five,
There are
but
five. They say six.
yeah,
Yeah.
the
So
spiritual
six is
one
a
is six.
spiritual. They say six
Yeah.
is a spiritual one. No. So yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we that's why like we are giving so much importance to ourselves. Like me, like
Our
what I want to eat,
senses.
sense, what I want to see, sense, what I want to think, sense, what I want to sort of feel, all senses. So it's like
Yeah.
our senses are controlling our body and our mind.
Yeah, we can say that.
People who are intelligent, their mind control their body or their senses. But spiritual people, their spirit control everything because the word itself
Okay.
says spiritual. So because who we are is the spirit, right?
Yes.
Right. Neither
Essentially.
I am this body, nor we have this eyes or whatever it is, heart or whatever we say it. It's the spirit, it's the
Yeah.
soul. And that is why they say this word spiritual.
Yes.
You know.
So, could you describe your recent travel? I have been following your posts. So,
Oh, you did?
could you describe? Yeah.
Well, it was sort of a like unplanned thing because I never thought I'll be able to ride till Lucknow or
Okay.
do 5,000 kilometer journey.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
pretty long.
it was experience. It was an experience. It was a different experience altogether. So because I wouldn't say good, bad, or great, but it was a different experience which where I met a lot of nice people, good people, and interesting beings. Uh,
Yeah.
and and though I was not able to do. exactly what I wanted to do, but I did other things which I never thought that I would do. So see,
Yeah.
that is why it became more special for me, and that is why I completely believe in not planning things. Just
Yeah, I agree. I agree
just
to
choose
this.
a direction and just go. You know, rather than planning and stuff. So yeah, so like I met you in Khajuraho. I never planned that I'll be going to Khajuraho.
Same with
I
me.
thought,
Same with me.
and then we happened to meet.
Yeah.
So this is what happened. Then I from so from Mumbai I started. I stayed in Nashik one night, and then from Nashik I went to from Nashik where I went Bhopal. From Nashik I went to Bhopal. Yeah, no. From Nashik I went to Ujjain. I stayed overnight in Ujjain. I did darshan of Mahakal,
Okay.
and then from Ujjain I came to Bhopal, and from Bhopal I came to Khajuraho. Yeah, yeah,
Then to
from Bhopal.
Lucknow,
And then from Khajuraho, I went to Lucknow straight. Yeah.
Varanasi.
No. From
Varanasi
Lucknow, I
or
went to
not?
Varanasi with my sister. With my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No. Yeah, yeah. I went with my sister. So I drove from Lucknow to Varanasi, and then I went to my village in Azamgarh, and then came back to Lucknow. And from Lucknow, I went to Jhansi, but I didn't explore Jhansi. I just stayed in Jhansi overnight, and then I went to Kota. From Kota, I went to Pushkar. Uh,
Yeah.
from Pushkar, from yeah, Pushkar is
Udaipur.
beautiful. Pushkar is beautiful. Pushkar is beautiful. You know. And then from Pushkar to went to Jodhpur. Jodhpur to Jaisalmer. And then from Jaisalmer, I went to this India-Pakistan border. There, where this battle happened, Longewala battle. If you have seen this film Border, this battle
Yeah, I
happened
heard
there,
about it.
Longewala only.
Longewala Post.
Yeah, yeah. And then from there via Badmer, I came to Udaipur, and from Udaipur to Ahmedabad, and Ahmedabad to back to Bombay.
And that's quite long in itself.
Yeah. Oh yes. Like uh,
Yeah. And that too
the
on
the
bike.
longest I rode in a day was from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, and I didn't feel tired at all. Like literally, I rode for approximately 512 or 15 kilometers, 6.5 hours.
And still not tired.
I didn't take a single break. I did not take a single break. I did not stop
That's
anywhere, only for fuel refilling for like 10 minutes and
that's
nothing.
quite surprising. I can't even
I,
imagine that.
I mean,
But
I couldn't imagine if I wouldn't do it, but I did it,
yeah.
and then that was incredible because I didn't feel any tiredness at all, you know.
Yeah,
So
and your
that's the
photos
thing.
are like great. The posts
Yeah.
you post on Instagram.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Really.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
So I mean, yeah, it's an experience, and I would tell you
Yeah.
the time I was traveling, I wasn't feeling hungry, I wasn't feeling tired, I wasn't feeling
Yeah.
sleepy, nothing. I remember I used to ride whole day and sleep after editing. I used to edit every single day my vlogs, and I used to
Yeah.
sleep around 11:30, 12, and I used to wake up at 5:30.
Oh.
And I used to eat straight away in the evening. No, nothing. No food in daytime.
Yeah.
I mean,
Maybe it was because
body
you
was
are so much
super
into
active.
travel that sleep and all these they don't bother you at all.
Yeah, of course, when you do what you want to do. That is why they say, I mean, like, you should always figure out what you want to do, what you really want to do.
Yeah. That's true. But it's
Yeah.
like quite hard. You yourself took 33 years to find it's not easy to find what you want.
Well, some people find it early, some people find later, some people may never find. Yeah, it's that's why I say it's an individual journey. We never, we should never force anyone to sort of follow someone's path or do a certain thing until or unless they. And why should they follow? Why should anybody follow anyone? Why can't they make their own way?
Yeah, that's true. Everybody has their individuality. They should explore that instead of following.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah, because that is what matters, no?
lagging. Yeah.
That is what matters.
Yeah, so we got to know that why you travel, and it was quite interesting. And the main thing you said, it was experience for you. And yeah, it was interesting as well that how you connected with spirituality, like both are a journey. Yeah, makes sense to me at least.
I'm glad it does make sense for you. Yeah.
So I think our question about why we travel was answered. So shall we keep it this video to this much only?
I mean, it's up to us. We can keep going. We can keep going for like, let's say 10-15 minutes more. And
yeah. Actually, I think today internet from my side is weak, lagging, but it's fine.
It's your side only.
So many days, suddenly it has come to a stop. You are now living in a room. So does it make a big change?
No.
No.
I mean, for me, honestly, I'll tell you, for me, if I put this thing in a word, nothing matters. So whether I'm in a room with all luxury items or I'm in a room with nothing, it's all the same for me. It's all. I won't feel any difference, at least internally.
Yeah.
Because if I want to be happy, I will be happy at any situation. Either I'm in a some sort of a nowhere.
Yeah. So it's like not depending on the outer situations, something like
yeah.
that.
Why would any circumstances should choose the way I feel?
Yeah.
Actually,
that's quite different from most people, including me. We all are quite affected by external circumstances.
Well, if you want to call that, you can call it, but I would say that's a basic, no?
So did you train yourself?
Ordinary. That's a very ordinary thing. That's a very basic thing, which.
Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
I'm asking.
What did you say?
Have you trained yourself this way, or has it come naturally?
I think it has come naturally, like not really trained, because the sort of person I am since beginning, I never gave so much importance to external factors, like since the beginning, yeah, since I know things, yeah, you could lot of people, lot of my friends used to call me old soul. So, so I don't know, due to that reason, or maybe it could be due to my father's impact in my life, not impact directly but indirectly, because the kind of person he uh, was very different, sort of like he was saying, as in uh, uh, he did not give so much importance to any materialistic things, you know.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean he was all by himself throughout his life, you know.
So this detachment thing you have like taken, it has been passed on from him.
I guess because see, as you know, my nature has been always rebellion. I always do opposite.
Yeah, you've told that.
I always do opposite. So because my father was a priest, uh,
Yes.
so I had this habit of reading his books, all his books. I used to read like his books more than my own books, my school books, because I was very sort of um, like, why to read this boring subject? Because I was always interested in stories, you know, like when you read all these Puran and you read Shiv Puran, this that, you know, there's a lot of stories, you know.
Full of stories.
So, so I used to read all those stories and sort of thing, and then I used to see the kind of person he was, though I was complete uh, opposite what he was doing, because I went into a completely different field. Like I joined modeling. I started doing modeling.
Yeah.
And my whole background was non-filmy or non-modern background. So if you see my family, my father was a typical priest. We used to not play any Bollywood song in the house,
Okay.
you know. So then things happened, and then it's like, you know, it's like I was reading somewhere. Okay, this could be uh, controversial or whatever it is. They say it's written in Upanishad that
Okay.
Brahman, Kshatriya, and Vaishya, they take two births in a single life.
Hmm. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, but Abhi, what I am going to say, that is controversial. Shudra, they only take one birth.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you have to say?
That means uh, these three varnas, they sort of change their lifestyle at the mid age, or whatever you want to say, middle age or whatever it is. The kind of person they are at the beginning, they will be completely different person in the second life or second birth in one life. But the other one, the last one, will remain same throughout his age, throughout his life. But there are exceptional cases like Valmiki. He was Shudra. He was born in Shudra, but he became Brahmin. Through his karma. You know, so there are exceptional cases definitely everywhere. But this is what it is.
So may I share my perspective on this
Sure, go ahead.
two birth? Yeah, actually, I've read this as well, that the upper three castes, that are Brahman, Kshatriya, and Vaishya, they take two births. It basically means that one is their physical birth that everybody takes, and the second birth is a possibility. It's their spiritual birth, and this is a possibility only for the three castes. And in the Vedic time, the caste was not based on your; it was based on your karma. So if you do a certain sort of karma, you could be like promoted to
Karma.
that caste. And so when you say that Valmiki was an exception,
Yeah.
actually he was not, because due to his karma he was a Brahman, and a
Yes.
Brahman does take two births. So we can say that he
Yeah.
was a Brahman. It is not that a Shudra took two births. If
Yeah.
it was
Yeah.
that, then it would have been
No,
exception.
no, 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 definitely, no, definitely. What I'm saying, see, first of all, there was no caste system. Caste is a wrongly used word. Caste, there was no caste system in our culture. Okay,
Yeah.
we always say varna. Varna means prakar. Varna does not mean caste or jat. Okay, uh, So Varna means Prakar. There are four type of people. When they say Varna means four type of people. A person who's connected through spiritually becomes, they call it a Brahmana, who has no attachment from money, power, or anything else. They becomes a Brahman, mostly like teachers.
Yeah.
Second, a person who is more related to power becomes Kshatriya, or who has to save the praja, or becomes Kshatriya.
Yes.
The person who has a lot of money becomes Vaishya. The
It's
fourth,
profession based.
who's more interested in cleaning things and stuff. Shudra does not mean a low caste. It means
Yes.
who chose the work to clean, who chose certain sort of a work. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is what it is. Like we sort of
Actually,
clarify this whole thing by ourselves only, that what we are talking about, because when we read how it's being described in a lot of books, it's I guess it's their own perception and they wrongly translated,
yeah, that's
you
true.
know. So yeah, but that is different topic altogether. But yeah,
And this caste thing, this was exploited by the Britishers as well, to create a intellectual gap in our
Mm,
community.
well, it was, yeah. It started before, much before. It started with the Mughals,
Yeah.
and it's definitely exploited by Britishers, definitely. But started from Mughals time. So what they used to do, they people who was poor, who didn't have money, they sort of changed their religion. They made them. They told them, you are Shudra or
Yes.
you are this. Nobody respect you. This you will give you money. This and that. You become Muslims or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So it started by that time, and then actually much before, much before. Uh, even it started with Buddhism,
Buddhism, yeah,
but that was not
Buddhism
related to
was.
power or money. At least it was more of a spiritual journey. That wasn't for money and power, but yeah, people sort of. There was a time, because there was a time in India when all Indian kings were becoming Buddhists, and they were living, and that was the one reason when all the invasion started, or in, let's say, in Bharat, because all the kings were becoming sane, leaving
Famous
their
example is Ashok.
yes, 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 and there's many more after him, almost all his uh, lineage, you know
In fact, after the death of Buddha, his teachings were misinterpreted and then they were presented. That's
well,
why he could never actually
yeah,
reach people.
well, see, they always say like what I'm telling you. And if you tell the same thing to a different person, you will tell in your own way.
Yes, that's
But
true. The thing
but
will
at
get
least,
distorted when it gets asked.
and it gets more distorted when it's written. Because what happens,
Yes.
what I am writing on a certain feel, on a certain context, maybe you are in a different frame of mind. You are reading it differently. And it will mean
Mm-hmm.
different thing to you.
Yes, of course.
So this is what happened. That is why there should be a teacher. We always say there should be a teacher. Why? Because teacher would make a student understand why.
Yes. In
You
fact,
know.
there is a rule in the Shastra that whenever you read some scripture, you must have a
Hmm?
guru with you so that he can interpret
Yes.
correctly.
Yes.
Otherwise, you'll make a mess out of it.
But this is what happens. No, this is what happened. This is what happened when this Britisher translated all these Indian scriptures. They completely changed the meaning. what it was, and you know.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, so like we say, what is God?
Hmm.
We say, what is God? We let
Aren't audible, Bhaiya. Actually, you aren't audible now.
I'm audible.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Earlier, I was not audible.
No, when you said what is God after that, I didn't hear.
Okay. So I mean, so now this is a completely different topic. But as we started
Yeah.
discussing, so we'll discuss it for very short, sort of,
Okay.
very briefly. We are the only religion, if you want to call it a religion, I don't call it a religion, but we are the only religion who questions God. Who's God?
That's true.
What is God?
In fact, it is the only religion where it is allowed.
No, because we say you want to be God, okay, become one. You have to do a certain karma. Do your karma, become God. Who stops you? Nobody stops you.
Yes.
You can become a God. You
Yes.
know. So it's interesting because you sort of getting into somewhere which where you don't know, like what you don't know. So it's like jumping into a black hole when you don't know what is God or who's God, or you're believing. Let's say if you're believing, so you're jumping in a black hole, not knowing where you're jumping,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
because you're just believing. So
In
yeah, I
fact,
mean,
yeah, you said that we will discuss in very short.
yeah.
Actually, today itself, I was hearing to Osho, and he gave two
Uh,
sutra or two formulas to follow. And the first was we never have to follow someone else. अनुकरण नहीं करना चाहिए किसी का. And the second was that uh, it's our own individuality that we have to explore. If we try to be someone like else, we will lose ourselves. That would be the greatest loss to
but
us.
this is what happens. This is what happens. Even in our scriptures, it is written. Now, one more controversial thing I'm going to talk, that God is for the fools.
Yeah.
So because we live in a culture where where we can become God.
Yes. There have
And
been many
that is
people.
why this culture is so different and so versatile that
Mm-hmm.
uh, it's up to you what you want to become. Either you want to become a evil, become evil. If you want to become a god, become god. If you want to become a saint, become saint. If you want to become a nothing, become nothing.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You know,
Total freedom.
it's freedom with respect. Nobody questions yourself. Let's say,
The path you choose.
if you believe in something, still people we do not say that you're wrong.
Yeah.
We are the only people who do not say you're wrong, or you are worshipping a wrong god, or you are doing a wrong thing, whatever.
Yeah.
You know, so that is one thing. There are
Yeah.
there
It's.
are like
Yeah.
there are many aspects of life.
Hmm.
It's up to us what we choose.
Yes. It's our choice, our life.
Uh, or
In fact, we are the only culture where so many different school of thoughts exist in the same religion, which are quite opposite of each other. Still, they
but
exist.
yes, you see. Okay, let's compare. How have we ever thought how come we have 33 million gods and goddesses?
Yeah, that's quite like wonder.
Because you see, and every god and goddesses is completely opposite to each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
Different. That is why say we don't want one. We want as many as we want. We can make as many as we want. We
Yeah.
were or we are capable enough to create even the gods.
Hmm.
You know, it's up to us how we uh, how we sort of transcend our life, you know, and create. And if you know, if okay, in only in this culture we respect every single human being. Not human being, every single being.
Every
We
single
bow down
creature.
to
Yeah.
every single thing, even to the stone.
Yes.
So why? Because we respect every single person, living, dead, alive, or
Yeah.
whatsoever.
Because the creator manifests himself in all creations. So whatever the creation be, it's the creator which is manifesting. So we respect everything.
Yeah, of course.
Quite logical, but still only found in this culture.
But see, we don't have to believe. See, that's what I'm saying. You do not have to believe what I say. You do not have to go with my words
Hmm.
until or unless you do not experience within yourself.
Actually, that is what's important. You are speaking, you are able to speak because you have experiences of your own. So you can
Yeah,
speak on basis of them.
I
Somebody
can.
who just agrees to you would
You
actually
do not.
doesn't.
That is why I always tell you do not have to agree with me what I'm saying until or unless you did not experience it. Because once to experience, but at least you should be ready to experience it. You should be open enough to experience it. You should not be, if you want to know, let's say, if you want to learn something, you should prepare yourself to learn, right? At least first mentally.
Yeah.
Because if you straight away, if you're going to one class and saying, नहीं यार, मैं तो ऐसे ही आ गया हूँ," it won't
ये तो
work
है,
like
ये
that,
तो है.
right?
That would take us nowhere.
Well, it's up to you. Nowhere is also somewhere, no?
Hmm. That's true.
It's like it's like we it's a circle, and we are rotating in a circle, like a circle. Okay,
Hmm.
like where we start, we go back to the same place.
Yeah.
Okay, now what happens if you tell your family? If you
It's
tell
like
your family you want to
cycle.
go, if you tell your family, or like let's say there's a married man
Yeah.
who
Okay.
live with a family, and he will say, okay, I want to leave this house for something to live with Guru.
Hmm.
Family will be shocked. They will start crying. They will start whatever, what happened to my son or whatever. But
Hmm.
they will make exception cases. You can drink, you can smoke, you can do anything until or unless you live in the house. Everything is okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are letting our own children, husband, uh, brother, or whatever to do anything if they are coming back to us. If they're because we know they will be rotating like a earth, how earth is rotating to the sun.
Yes.
But
Yes.
once they
Yes.
say like I want to go in this direction, I want to go on a spiritual journey, I want to go on a certain path, they will no, 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 you can't do.
Hmm. Hmm. That's true.
You know, because we sort of involved in uh, emotional world
Hmm.
where where practical thing does not matter. Only emotional things matters.
Hmm.
It's like if you are creating problem for me, it's okay. Create as many as problem with me or to me, but I won't leave you because I love you.
Okay.
Because I'm glorifying that pain, and
Okay.
I'm feeling so great about telling other people that this person is giving me pain, but I still love this person.
Yeah, that's actually quite rare of people to do that.
But that's the fact. This is what happening. This is what happening to this world. This is what happening to almost everyone.
Hmm.
It's a teaching. It's the uh, what we have taught.
And when you do this, the person who is giving you pain, there is a possibility that he may even change after seeing this.
But after seeing what?
After seeing that, even though he is giving you so much pain, even then you are loving him back. So there arises a possibility for him to change.
Possibility. Well, no, that you are thinking that there's a possibility. But
But
how a
there
person can
can exist.
how a person can change their nature? Remember, a person cannot change their natures. For example, just giving you an example. I'm a certain kind of a person. You are a certain kind of a person. Let's say we are brother and we're living in the same house. I have a habit of waking up till late. You have a habit of sleeping early. We are sharing one single room. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
I want to play my video game or whatever I want to do, or talk on my phone to whosoever, and you want to sleep early. Now, the choice is yours. Either you live in the room and become messy, or you leave the room and go and sleep on the terrace.
Hmm.
If you are staying in the room and expecting me to change, then you are wrong. Because even if
Yeah,
I
yeah,
because
that's
even
true.
if I don't talk the person on phone, I will find other way to stay awake. You
That's
know?
true.
So
You are saying that until uh, you change your tendency or you change your intention, there will be no change in the other person. That's what you're saying.
I am saying if you want to change someone or some situation, then you have to change. Then you have to change.
Yeah, that's true.
Because
That's
there
true.
has to be a person who need to start and who can be better person than you because you know what you want, right? You want
Hmm.
peace, then you have to take the first step towards peace, right?
Yeah, if it's related to my life, then of course I have to change first. That makes sense.
Yeah. And peace cannot
But
happen just
seeing,
by begging.
but seeing seeing your actions, someone else can change as well. There has
Uh,
been incidents.
you are
Depends on
now,
you.
yes, yes, there has been definitely you're right, but uh, that is more like somebody's following someone's path.
Yeah.
It is more like they have changed for a certain time period.
So it's not original, you are saying. It
It's
would not be original.
influencing. It's an influence. They are influenced.
Hmm.
For example, I'll give you a big example. When there was Salman Khan's movie Tere Naam, how many people kept the same hairstyle?
Yeah, that's true.
Understand the change does not come from outside. Change happens within. It has to be inside you. Then only you can be changed. Change means now you are going to remain the same way what you are right now throughout your life. That is change. You cannot call someone who
Okay.
keep changing every 2 months, 3 months. That is not a change. That is
Yeah.
because that person
So
is
you
getting
are
influenced by different people.
hmm. So
You
you are
know,
focusing that it should happen from within. You are focusing
it
on that.
should because
That's
it has
true
to
as
be
well.
somewhere within you. Huh?
Yes.
Because whether we agree or we do not agree, we keep certain burden from our past lives.
Okay.
It is not. It is if you are thinking that this is your first birth, then I don't know what to say.
So you are
You know,
saying that we have collection of past life karmas as well.
we always have collection of past life. That is why we are spirit, now. We keep changing different bodies, no?
Hmm.
You know.
If that is so, then how is our life in our control? Because it would be controlled by our past life karma.
I did not say it is controlled by your past life. I did not say that word.
Yeah, so it's
I, I
influenced.
said I said you have a burden from your past life, the life you have lived. And
Yeah, so
I did not
that
say
is
life,
making
I
our
said
current
lives,
life.
because there's multiple different lives, right? So that's why I say it's a journey, because you are having a certain journey, and this body is like a boat. Like you are in a river, and this body is like a boat. You have crossed one river, you leave this body, you leave the boat, you walk. And again, you find a river, you take another body, another boat, and cross that river. Then again, you change it until or unless you reach to ultimate,
Hmm.
where you
Okay.
break the chain. You must have seen a lot of people who do not have any wishes.
Do not have any.
Wishes, like they have no wish to do anything. They are just
No
living their
desire.
life. They're just living their life. They're just passing time.
Yes, there are.
And a lot of people we say like ये तो फालतू लोग हैं तो कुछ नहीं करते ये तो ऐसे ही हैं. But I'll tell you
Hmm.
what happened. They have lived their life. Their soul lived their life. Now they have nothing to fulfill. Now they have nothing to wish. So they are just passing their life. So because once they will die, they will not come back because they do not have any wish. The soul has reached to that level where they do not want anything. Only wantness, your wantness will bring your spirit back to this world.
Hmm.
Okay, so we say it when your time has come and what you want. That that all depends what you're going to take birth in the next birth. Like which sort of category you will be taking birth.
So the
Because
last
it is not
thought.
compulsory. It is not compulsory you will be born again as a human. You can be anything. It all
Yeah,
depends
that I have heard.
on what is going on in your mind that time when you're leaving this body.
Hmm.
Because remember, the soul only leaves this body when this body is weak, when this body cannot handle the soul or spirit. When the body becomes weak, then the soul decide to leave this body. Like this body cannot handle me right now. So this is the time.
Okay.
You know? Whether somebody dies in accident or disease or old or whatever, you see body becomes weak, then they die. Very rare cases where body is healthy is either they have realized the ultimate or they left their body by their own choice. Many
By their
yogis
own
done
choice.
that. Huh?
By their own choice.
By their own choice. But for that they have to reach on a certain level of understanding. Like Vivekananda, he left his body at the age of
38.
38, yeah, 38 or 37, yeah. So that was very young, and he was having certain problems, yes, for sure, but because he had done too much, and then he decided to leave. You
Hmm.
know? So yeah, this is what happened. You know,
Yeah. quite many new things to know, actually.
Huh?
Many new things to know.
Well, there is a lot of new things. No, I mean that is why I like to see new people. I like to meet new people. I like to sort of explore new things. People, know people. Uh, you know, different beings, animals. You know, you see why you see a lot of animals have a certain habits. You see, animal mostly animals they observe.
Okay.
You know, they observe to understand what is happening.
Yes.
You know, because they want to understand it, what is happening.
Yeah, they observe in their own way.
Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, of course, in their own way, but that's uh, that's we all should start doing it. You know, observing is one of the it's one of you know the most important thing.
Hmm.
You know, it's like I always say like never uh, think someone is greater than you and never think someone is smaller than you. Treat everyone equally.
Hmm. Hmm.
You know, because think, not think, see everyone as same as you. Because the time we start doing that, then you won't hate anyone. Because if you see yourself in someone else, how could you hate yourself? Nobody can hate themselves. How will you make enemies? You won't make enemies. You can't make enemies, no, to yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
So,
actually, yeah, you're saying something.
what actually? No, no, say.
Actually, I was expecting some questions, but there are no questions there in the comments.
What?
Uh, I was expecting some questions from people who joined, but they
Ah,
haven't asked anything.
you can probably. Okay, guys, you can ask any questions if you have any questions. We have to tell them.
Yeah.
And uh, people are very less people are getting online. Yeah, evening time. I guess it's not good. People must be sleeping.
Actually, we decided to talk about travel, but we talked about so many things
Yeah.
along with travel.
Well, this is what happens, no? It goes here and there, here and there, here and there. We have to start doing this more so people would get more idea
Yeah.
and definitely we should try next time we should try in a daytime because I guess evening people more sort of kind of busy watching TV or whatever, you know, their own favorite
Yes.
shows. I guess,
Yes.
you
Yes.
know, that is, and then I don't care how many people are joining. As far as as, as far as we are having a conversation, my thing is having a conversation,
Hmm.
you know, where we sort of talk and people can hear and see and whatever. If they connect, very good enough. If they don't connect, amazing.
Yeah. So, what's written on that poster behind you?
Which poster? Oh, this one. It
Yeah.
says tough times never last, but tough people do.
Okay. Yeah.
Another one is every portrait that is painted with feeling is a portrait of the artist, not the sitter.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Interesting thought.
Yeah, very interesting. Life is all about interesting things, no? Why do we want beautiful life? I always say have an interesting life rather than beautiful life.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
So, shall we like end this one?
yeah, we can wrap it up now because
Yeah.
it's 9. So
So, have you had your dinner?
for me,
Yeah.
I have my dinner around 6:30. Yeah, 6:37.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you
my
only
dinner
have
time
two
is.
meals every day, right?
I only have.
Two meals.
Yeah. So we are having a live session. So I just thought I should record this moment. This is Himanshu. Himanshu, say hi. You are on my vlog right now.
Hi.
Right. So yeah, I had my meal. I eat at 6:30. Yeah, evening. So yeah, later I don't eat anything.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, lot of future plans. I will definitely share with you.
Surely
You live
there's
in Allahabad,
plenty.
right? You live in Allahabad or Varanasi?
Yeah, Prayagraj, Prayagraj.
Prayagraj, na? Sorry, Allahabad, I'm saying. Now it's Prayagraj. Yeah.
It will take time
No,
to
no, I
all
mean,
them.
yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. It will
Yeah.
take time. Though it means the same, but yeah, still.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But in
Chalo
this
फिर
case
then
also,
wrap it
we
up
have to
करते
be
हैं.
the change.
What say
We have to
again?
start. In this case also, we have to be the change. We have to start saying Prayagraj.
Yeah. Only once you live there, you always you guys have to start first. Then we will adapt.
Yeah, yeah.
है ना? चलो भाई. Now we wrap up. And thank you so much for joining, yaar.
Yeah, thank you so
And
much for asking and giving the opportunity. Yeah,
what
it was
opportunity?
great.
That life is all about opportunities only, na?
Yeah, I mean, that's true. But still, it was a great idea that you gave.
But yeah, I mean, like conversation is the great thing. What is Gita? It's the same thing, no?
Yeah, that's very true.
Ask questions,
Conversation.
get answer. So,
Hmm.
yeah.
ठीक है
चले
फिर
फिर.
मिलते हैं.
ठीक है भैया. मिलते हैं फिर.
ठीक है, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.